Okay guys, you're now going to learn about polynomials. A polynomial is an algebraic expression with one or more terms. These here are all polynomials because they're an algebraic expression with one or more terms. This here is known as a monomial because there's only one term here. This here is known as a binomial because there are two terms here. And this term here is known as a trinomial because there are three terms in this expression. All of them are considered to be polynomials. What they're going to ask you to do in this page is tell them if these terms here, if these algebraic expressions here are monomials, binomials, or trinomials. All of them are considered polynomials, but they could either be called monomials, binomials, or trinomials. Okay? So here we've got 5xy. Well, since there's no positive or negative sign separating any of the numerals or letters, we know this is a monomial. Since there's a negative sign separating these two terms, this is considered a binomial because there are two terms. Think of bicycle when you think of a binomial. A bicycle has two wheels, so a binomial has two terms. Here you've got a trinomial because there are three terms here separated by a positive and negative sign. Think of tricycle because a tricycle has three wheels, so a trinomial has three terms separated by a positive or negative sign. Here this is considered a binomial because it's separated by a negative sign. The two terms are separated by a negative sign, so it's a binomial. This is a monomial even though there's three numerals and letters. They're not separated by addition or subtraction signs, so it's considered a monomial. If they would have each been separated by an addition sign like this, then it would have been a trinomial. But since they're not separated by an addition or subtraction sign, it's considered a monomial. Here we have a trinomial because it's separated, the three terms are separated by an addition and subtraction sign. This is a monomial even though there are two terms here because neither of the terms are separated by an addition or subtraction sign. So this is a monomial. Here we have two terms separated by a subtraction sign, so it's a binomial. Here we've got, although we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numerals and numbers, and letters and numerals, none of them are separated by an addition or subtraction sign, so this is considered a monomial. Here we've got two terms separated by a subtraction sign, considered a binomial.